is up, YouTube? Today was PayDay. Bundle. That bundle top. Halfway through these packs. Okay. The money. The money. The money. Nothing. I mean, only if that was a good one. This truck's 7th Ave. At no point in his career was this truck 75. I don't understand. If he was a rookie, he could still get through somebody. Money, are they getting money? $20. Another one, another one. We gotta open this sucker that was fast. I'll go ahead and sell you that. Sell you that. Ah, who'd they play around with? Why'd they play around with a brother? That's messed up. It could be a quantum. Oh, man. Kobe Jones. I thought it was 4. Okay, okay. Mess around with that. 4, but hey, bet we can go ham with it, man. Hopefully. Combine warrior. Fast. I'm making it fast. Send them straight to that. See what we got going here. See what we got. Did it to y'all ready for this mic? Okay, nothing. Pull this mic fit for you. Huh? Come on, Madden, don't do it to me. Come on. Alright, watch this legendary. I'm joking, it might not be top, but they're playing around with me, man. They are really playing around with me. Not good. I got a Walter Payton. Show me respect this time. I did really good last time. Shine. Or is it? Oh my gosh, man. These dudes are tripping. Money, man. Money, baby. Slower, I'm getting scared. Y'all are tripping. What did I do? Have y'all ever wondered, what have I done to them? Me. Kinda liking it. It's good though. Hopefully, good. Hopefully, it's good. I'm hoping that. really want me to turn up on Pat? Okay. Here it is. What y'all have all been waiting for. My last pack. Ham session. Okay. Let's do it to the man. We did it to him. We really did. Blow wreck. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open a pack with coins and see if I should, if I can get. Just wasted 20 bucks. Okay. See what I can go ham with. DeAndre Hopkins. Been wanting one of these. Good, but I've been wanting. Hey. Okay, they're trying to get me to turn up on Pat Pete.